Hello, friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Binance Doctor, a community built for smart and informed traders. If you're someone who follows the markets and wants to improve your trading with education, analysis, and responsible strategies, you're in the right place. Inside our free Telegram group, you'll get market insights and updates, educational resources to help understand technical setups, real trade ideas shared for learning purposes, transparent updates to help you follow along responsibly. Our mission is simple: to share knowledge and support each other in making smarter decisions in the crypto space. Join our free group now. The link is in the description. Check out the daily updates, and if you find value, you can explore our premium content as well. This is not financial advice. We promote responsible learning and risk management at all times. Thanks for watching, and stay informed.